Today we are reviewing the Liven app and answering one important question. Is this really a useful productivity app, or is it just another distraction hiding behind the self-improvement features? Many people today struggle with focus, motivation, procrastination and stress. Because of this, apps like Liven are becoming very popular. The app combines productivity tools, mood tracking, habit building, and AI powered wellness features in one platform. But does it actually help people become more productive, or does it simply keep users spending more time inside the app? Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on productivity and wellness apps, because by using our description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about what the Liven app actually does. Liven app is designed as a self-improvement and mental wellness app. The platform includes mood tracking, habit building tools, AI chat support, guided programs, journaling, and focus features. The goal is to help users improve emotional health while also being more productive. One of the most talked about features is the AI companion. This AI assistant chats with users, asks reflective questions, and give supportive responses. Many users say it felt more personal than a normal productivity app because it focuses on emotions and mindset, not just tasks and deadlines. Another important feature is the mood tracker. User can log emotions daily and monitor the patterns over time. The app also includes habit tracking and routine building tools to encourage consistency. Liven also offered short courses and self-improvement programs related to the confidence, procrastination, stress, ADHD, motivation, and emotional awareness. The content is designed in small bite-sized lessons so users do not feel overwhelmed. Now let's talk about the good side of the app. One thing many users like is the simple and friendly design. The interface feels calm and less stressful compared to the traditional productivity apps. Instead of pushing users with aggressive productivity goals, Liven tries to create a softer and more supportive experience. Another positive point is that the app combines mental wellness and productivity together. Most productivity apps focus only on the task, but Liven also tries to improve emotional health and self awareness for people dealing with burnout or stress. This approach may feel more helpful. Now, let's discuss the negative side because this is where opinions become mixed. Some users feel the app can become distracting because it encourages spending a lot of time inside the platform. Instead of completing real work, users may spend more time reading self improvement content, answering quizzes, or chatting with the AI assistant. Another common complaint is the pricing. Some reviews mention that premium plans can feel expensive compared to other productivity or wellness apps. A few users also expected deeper personalization and stronger productivity systems. There are also mixed kind of opinion about whether the app truly improves productivity. Some people say the habit tracking and routine helped them to focus better, while others felt the platform was more motivational than practical. So, is Livin a productivity app or disgust distraction? If you want a gentle productivity tool that also focuses on emotional health, motivation, and habit building, then Livin can be useful. It may especially help people who feel overwhelmed by traditional productivity apps. But if you are looking for a hardcore task management system with advanced project tools and serious workflow features, then Liven may feel more like a wellness companion than a true productivity platform. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this review helped you to understand the strengths and weaknesses of the Liven app and whether it may fit your productivity style. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe Easy Access Tech, and check the description link for special software offers and for also discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.